Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can replace my Toyota Corolla car's door. And sometimes we need to replace door, and here I have excellent car where we can replace this door. And this job starts really so that we have to remove this front fender, like in here, because there are those screws what I need to open. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and then this electric connector what I need to open first, this connector point, and because there are many cables, and let's look closer at that area. There is really this electric doors, electric connector, and I have to take this hood away, and then inside in here there is connector in inside area, and I have to open this connector in gap-in area or then in here door area. This is our first job to do, that we disconnect these cables in here. In this driver's area there are those gas pedal, brake pedal, and in here when we look in that area, here we can see that there are those 3 connectors what I have to open, and these positions are in these slots, and this opening happens so that I press this side and pull out, and all of these 3 cables, and now they are free, and then I can take this cable slot away in this direction. Okay, good. And then there is this one 10mm bolt what I need to open just now. Okay, and now this is like this holder, now it's free, and then we can open these outer bolts when these 2 things are ready. Now when these inner areas bolts are free, we can open these outer bolts, these things, and now it's good to lift this one upper in final one, and then we can lift this door away. And socket size is 12mm, and I open first with this bolt and little bit this in that way. It's like support, and then this down areas bolt, there are those down bolts. Okay, now door opens, this final bolt, and in this final part it is good that if we have friend, because this door is a little bit heavy. Now I lift that and I remove this final bolt. I install this again in position, and I keep this my door with my hand in that way, and I remove this final bolt. Okay, good. And now these bolts are free, and final step is that I lift that up. The final part is that I need to only lift that door up, door away carefully in this position, and in here we can see these cables. The final part is to take these cables away, excellent, and now door is nicely in ground. And now this door is very nicely in position in ground, and this was so easy.